So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and make our 4 foam soaps. Oh yeah, how to make foam cleansers. And oh yeah, get those pesky price tags off of your bottles, because people are gonna think, oh my god, it's only $4.95. Like, no, that's how much I spent for the bottle. Or it's $2.99 or $1.99. No, voila, here we go. So we unscrew the cap. And again, I love foam cleansers the best. I love regular cleansers, but you know, for right here, I'm just saying you can use oil in it, but you don't have to. The pump does all the work. Back in the day, pumps, you had to use a little bit of oil to make it thicker to come out measuring cap. The cap that comes with the bottle, you're gonna take it off, and this measures perfectly. You only need a cap full. Leave a little bit of space at the top. Don't overfill, please don't. Leave a little bit of space at the top. Trust me, you only need one. That's what I'm saying. 1, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. All that good stuff. I know Spanish. I know the lingo. Poquito. I know a little bit. Bien jamín is loco en la cabeza, or el cabeza. I don't know. Testing the red or green or blue and alien. So here, just giving it a little bit of shake. Shaking, not stirring. I mean, stirred. We are shaking. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do about 8 to 10 side to sides, and it's mixed. That's all you need to do. That's it. All right. So now we have mixed. People are like, oh my God, what is in the bread? What is that? Like, yes, it's dragon's blood. In a good way. The dragon didn't die. We didn't kill, like in Game of Thrones the last season. Like, no. Them dragons died horribly. I'm like, man, what the hell? But Khaleesi still made them people pay. She made them, that city. She had no mercy. She showed no mercy. And that's why we give it the name dragon's blood. Because you take blood from a dragon, it's going to have no mercy on you if it survives and comes back upon you and roasts you up real good. Barbecue ribs. That's right. So dragon's blood is a good thing. Because yeah, the dragon's blood is a healing. It can bless you. It's a whole thing. You have to look it up. Oh yeah, and I forgot. Add your product label. My label has a QR code, so once you scan it with your phone, it shows you how to use it. It goes straight to a video. It says, hey, this is how you use soap on your face. This is how you wash your ass. Oh yeah, this is how you do your taxes. It's like, no, I don't do all that, but it shows you how to wash your ass and face at the same time. Oh yeah, that's another video. With the QR code, yep, with your phone, just like that, how it sounds. And yeah, put your product label on it. Oh, I put it upside down. Jesus. Don't make that mistake. I made that rookie mistake years ago, and I still made it in this video. Isn't that crazy? All right, so now that you got your product label, people can find you. They scan the QR code. They know they go straight to your website. Tappy, tappy, tap, 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 tapping at it. Yep. So you get as much product as you can off. Add the water. Add the liquid. The water's the blessing. Thank God for water. Water's awesome. Take your time. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You're done. Let's get it on there. All right. So you put it on. Make sure your label's correctly labeled this time, not upside down. They can scan it on their phone. Oh my God, what is this? So you don't even want people knowing what it is. You want to have mystery. It's almost like having an Asian or Chinese writing. You know, you don't know what the hell those writing. Every time you go to get some Chinese food, do you even know what the language is? Do you even know what that's saying? It could be saying, hey, you know, we are, I don't know, but it's probably saying something. And I don't want to get in troubles, because I love my Chinese food. I love my Asian peoples. You know, we all one people. We black. We all black. But anyway, so yeah, you want to keep it a mystery. And I wish I could put some Asian writing on there. I'm like, yeah, y'all don't know what the hell I'm putting on here. And yeah, you keep it mysterious and just have a QR code and let them go to your website and find out, oh yeah, it's just citrus, which is literally just lime, lemon, some spurts of orange and a lime, or I'm sorry, regular lemon and lime, and orange added together is citrus. Or it's just basically the rind peeling from the orange, or the rind from the lemon, or the rind from the lime, and that's your citrus. Eucalyptus is always, you can pour this in your shower. And the next one we're gonna talk about too is in the shower too, and it opens up all those pores. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Okay, so right here to measure, if you don't have a cap, the one bend in your finger, the second bend, the little 2 lines in your finger, just go from the top line to the second line, and voila, you have the same cap full that you had if you had a cap. It's the easiest way to measure things because the lines on our fingers actually are like a centimeter or an inch apart from each other, and it gives you like a perfect inch every time. So you needed to do like a 4 inch. Whoa, I can breathe again. Good for your nostrils, lungs, all that good stuff. Cough, cold, yeah, put that in the shower. Something like open up all those pores. Yep, shake it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah. Green. Yes. We love the money. It's that money cleanser. Yes, you tell the client, like, hey, you need that money, you need that good money tree luck, but it's just in the soap. We're gonna bless you. We all gonna get that money. Yeah. It turns green. Now my camera doesn't do it justice because my light that I have open with the blinds is so bright, it won't show you the darkness of it. So that's why you would have to add in at least 2 more drops to really see the full green, or I would have to shut the blinds and then you can see the full effect of the green. People love it. You know, St. Patrick's Day coming around. Oh yeah, we're gonna drink, be merry, and get a facial. That's right. And then maybe later on get another facial, but that like a good one, not a bad one. Get your mind out the other. Shh. Let's calm down. Let's move on. So now get the potion. That's right. And you smell that pepper. The peppermint is very strong. It's all concentrated, so that's why I said you only need 1 cap. If you add in 2 caps, you're gonna see it's too foamy. It's like you'll start to run out of the bottle within a month, like easily, 3 weeks to a month. But these bottles will last you at least 3 to 4 months. I don't know how many pumps you're pumping on somebody's face, but you only need, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's like 25 or 26 pumps. And you get all of that. Like seriously, this should not be gone within 90 days, 3 months. That's why I love foam cleansers. Foam cleansers last a very long time, especially if you don't use a lot of product. In a 1 to 2, maybe a triple cleanse type of situation, you're using maybe 10 pumps. You're not using the 25 that I just showed you. That's a lot of soap. And when you put it on the person's face, yeah, unless you're gonna have to put soap in the nose and ears and have it running down the chin. No. You need about 4 to 5 pumps on 1 cleanse alone. And see, it's good to go. What I mean is forehead, cheek, chin, and then décolleté. So that's 5 pumps. That's all you need. That's all you need. You can get away with 4 actually and be good to go. So here you go. Yep. Power Ranger colors. Oh yeah. All of them. So yep. You are good to go. Be blessed and do great things.